Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Thrifty Virgo Lefty. Okay, so today I am sharing how I made a little quick clutch purse to go with my all white outfit. Here it is, here it go. The fabric is 14 by 17. My zipper is 14 inches as well. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with how I'm going to put it. So what I'm going to do is turn it zipper facing the good side of the fabric, and I'm going to clip that down because I'm going to zip those pieces together. No, stitch those pieces together. So again, you see the zipper is turned down towards the good part of the fabric, and I'm basically doing it with the other side as well, but let's start with this one. So normally you use your zipper foot, but I don't have mine right now. But anyway, I'm going to back stitch, and I'm going to do a straight stitch all the way down to secure the zipper with the fabric. As you can see, I'm going to sew somewhat close to the teeth of the zipper, but not too close. And whatever piece I do not catch in the machine, I'm able to turn around and do, because like I said, I don't have my zipper foot on right now, so it's going to be a little small piece that I have to go back and um, sew. But anyway, I turn it around and basically complete the same step on the other side. So it looks a little awkward because my pieces are kind of laid out side by side. But anyway, then you always make sure you backstitch at the end. So as you can see, I can zip them in between the middle. And then like I said, I go back and I fix the little end part right there to secure them together. And as you can see, I've done that part. So what I'm going to go back down and do now is add a top stitch along the side of both of them, along the side of the zipper. My seam allowance is going to be really close. As you can see my little stitching. Start at the top, go all the way down. And as you can see, I had to fold my fabric inside so it wouldn't be in the way. But I was so excited to make this little clutch. Now you can always add a stabilizer, some type of interfacing, because I was making this at the last minute. I did not add that, so next time I'll probably come back and share sometime in the summer. Well, I'll be making another one really soon. But anyway, as you can see, I've completed that part, and I'm going to open the zipper, turn it inside out, because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to stitch it together so it can close. No, I did not do a liner or anything. This is just a basic one. I will come back and make it a little complex. See, I'm just going to go around, as you can see. Excuse my camera situation. But anyway, I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to backstitch, and I'm going to do about 1/4 inch around the perimeter. So I'm going to go all the way down. back stitch. Not gonna go all the way to the end, but I'm gonna leave a little bit at the end. And I'm gonna go across. Then when I get to this corner, I'm going to back stitch, and then I'm going to go and repeat the same step and go back up to that corner. Now once you finish this, you can make a couple little snips for when you turn it inside out. I don't really think I had an issue with that because I turned mine right side out and I pressed it really good. Okay, we get to the end, you back stitch. You'll come on back over here to the cutting mat. But anyway, cutting your loose strings and things of that nature. If you want to do a little bit of trimming, that's fine. As you can see, I left my zipper open. That made it that much easier to turn it inside, well, right side out. And if you can't get the corners to come out good, you can take a little pencil to get them out. I don't think I had an issue with those. Just want to take your time with the Ankara because it's a cotton and you don't want to, split or rip or anything or nothing like that. Anyway, so I use my hand to flatten it out, and then I go use you can use an iron. If you have a heat press, you can heat press it and just give it a good iron, and then you can fold it to where you want it to look when you take it out. So that's the finished product. Smash that like button. I'll be back. Thank you so much for tuning in.